So make sure you stay safe, mask up, and we'll be ready to begin the blind tasting. In this video, we're gonna be doing a blind tasting, doing champagne versus passion pop. And I'm gonna see if I can tell the difference without seeing which one's poured into the glasses. I have some friends here with me today to help. If we haven't met before, my name is James Follent, and I think Australian wine is beautiful and complex. So I make videos for wine lovers to learn more about the world of wine. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. So now into the blind tasting, champagne versus passion pop. Will I be able to tell the difference? I've got my first glass ready to go. Give it a bit of a swirl. Try not to make any mess. Ooh, that's gonna be interesting. Okay, so that's the first one. I'm gonna try and guess the three at the end, but I think initially this is gonna be the Tyrrell's Ashman's Brut, because I was expecting in a champagne a yeastiness. I haven't had the Ashman's Brut before, so I don't know what it tastes like, but in the champagne I was expecting yeastiness, and in the passion pop I'm looking for that passion fruit pop, or in the passion pop I'm looking for a scent and taste of passion fruit, which I don't like. So I'm thinking that'll be easy to find, but this is that middle sparkling wine that I had out on the bench, that Tyrrell's Ashman's Brut. So if I go from the number 2 wine, is that here?
Right here, James.
The risk of a blind tasting is I can't actually see what I'm doing. So let's see how this one goes. This is, I can smell it and tell that I'm pretty sure it's the passion pop. I can, yeah, very strong sense of that's passion fruit in that glass. You can lock that one in as the passion pop, and I'm ready to move on to the third wine in the blind tasting. So I suspect we'll be comparing and contrasting straight away the champagne versus the passion pop. Yep, in that glass I can already smell kind of the yeastiness coming through from that bottle of champagne, that kind of distinctive character, method traditional of the way that they make it to bring it all together. That distinctive taste of champagne, that yeastiness coming through, those fine bubbles on the taste, on the tongue, on the palate that comes through. How did you think I did? Is it time to take the blindfold off?
Yeah, you can take the blindfold off.
Take the blindfold off.
You pretty much nailed it. This was the Tyrrell's, that was
Very
the dirty
nice.
old passion pop, and that was the champagne.
Very nice. So there you go, a blind tasting between 3 sparkling wines with friends helping me out. Let me know if you want to do another game show type thing like this where I do a blind tasting and try and guess between different wines. So if you want to see more videos like this, please like it to help other people who are interested in videos like this see this suggested on YouTube. If you dislike it, hit that dislike button, comment below, let me know why you dislike it so that I can make better videos in the future. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I can pre-open them and then you pour them?
Yeah.
That sounds good.
And I'll just twist them around.
Twist and mix. Where is the foil on this?
No, because he knows the location. You're going to have to spin it all around.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, so if you...
Pour them in, spin them around, and then give him one.
Love it. Is this champagne? Yeah.
That is champagne.
Chances.
So that one's ready to go.
That's always ready to go.
Now let's pull the top of this one.
You must have went to rock bottom to find passion pop.
Oh, I was like, because one of my cousins suggested passion pop, and I'm like, I don't
drink that.
Yeah, the last time I did, it was for the novelty of having a cork like it's not even a proper cork, it's this plastic thing.
Yeah.
In the top. The huge difference.
Yeah, it's not even, it's plastic.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting. Assist me in my blind tasting, but to kick things off, I'm gonna get these bottles open so that they're ready to be poured.
PP.
Time lapse.
Oh,
Very effervescent.
it's a plastic thing in the top for the passion pop. Be really interesting to see if I can tell the difference or not. I'm hoping to be able to guess the 3 wines without seeing them. Taking the crown off the champagne. Bang! Oh, look at that. And this was a twist to unlock the bubbles. So passion pop was a little wet. Tyrrell's Ashman's Brut. So all ready to go. So make sure you stay safe, mask up, and we'll be ready to begin the blind tasting. So would love my friends to work their magic, pour the wines, move them around, and then give me the okay about when they're ready to go. Got to make sure I can see my nose as well, so that I can smell. So I'm hoping to work left to right, so I'll go left to right for the camera, that is, so from this side to that side, so let me know when it's ready to go.
There you go, James.
Ready to go. Awesome.